We make our move at 0800, right after outdoor duties start. My men will cause a commotion outside, draw out the guards and jailers. The guards will be armed, so you dags will need to deal with them. Use the element of surprise.
And the jailers?
They're small fry. I'll take care of them.
All right.
How many guards?
About 30. Take out 20 or so and we'll be sitting pretty. Then we break straight through the west gate. We'll have you lot covered, so just run for it.
And how do we break through it? It's not like it's made of tissue.
Surely you lot can handle a gate. Why else would the bitch queen even send you?
Why do you keep calling Monica that? She's your mother.
I'll call her whatever the hell I like. Anyways, you all got the gist of the plan now.
You call that a plan? There's nothing to get. We don't even have any contingency measures, do we?
I bet you're fun at parties, arsehat.
I'd prefer level-headed, thank you.
Anyhow, we'll gather in front of Watchtower 1. After breaching the gate, thin out. You run and you don't look back. Clear?
Okay, we'll do that.
Good. You're dismissed.
Gondor?
Hmm?
Please, just be careful.
Who do you think you're talking to? You look like you'd make short work of that gate.
Huh? Me?
That wallop of yours on the first day. One hell of a hit. You sure give him a run for their money. Ha.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Looks like someone's ready to go.
Shania!
Well, look what the Hawks dragged in.
Nice to see you too, Gondor. I've been here the whole time. You didn't notice?
Oh, I'm sorry. Want a medal?
Arrogant as ever.
Anyway, think you're ready for this?
Who do you think you're talking to?
Oh, touchy. Just don't screw this up.
You and Shania were friends from the crib. Was that it?
Yeah, since we were kids.
I didn't realize.
Chick didn't know when to stop following me around. Had it up to my ears with her. Heard you bombed the selection test, and not for the first time.
Yeah. I couldn't win. In the last round.
Why'd you use the cestus? You can barely throw a punch, makes no sense.
Because I thought if I used your weapon, I could capture a bit of the Gondor spirit.
You know that name pisses me off. And more excuses, eh? Stop copying me. You're even wearing my gloves now. Right, enough is enough. Nothing to say for yourself. Ugh, hang on, Aleviness. Don't you have any originality? It's no wonder you lost. No wonder you never get picked. I have my style. She has hers. Why doesn't she get the message? I'm so sick of it.
Hey, now.
They seem confident. Are we okay?
Everything's going to plan. Everything's fine. Everything.
We can't afford to flub tomorrow's mission, huh? I really hope it'll all go to plan.
It has to. We'll do everything we can to make it work.
Do people have to make so much noise?
I definitely feel stronger. Time out. We'll head out in a bit.
The beds here are awful. I barely slept a wink.
Your snoring could have fooled me.
We go out of here and then to the left. Move.
Check you out. Someone's eager.
Do we seriously have to keep doing this? We're just about ready to blow this joint.
I'm not exactly fond of it either, but we can't afford to make the guards suspicious.
It's Garafas that we're supposed to be thinning out, right?
Yes, Mom. Taking care of dumb jobs is what us model prisoners do.
I can't even call this practice.
Well, this won't be any trouble. Who hits first wins.
Good going, Uni!
Hey, you barely messed anything up today.
I'll keep your attention on me. Nice move, child.
Giant air fist. Hammerhead. Butterfly blade. Big impact. Hammerhead. Snowball top. Get out of here. Butterfly blade. Hammerhead. Just as planned, Tyon. Knock back.
Break!
Butterfly blade. Too easy. Come after me, and that's what you get.
If only you didn't charge off.
Big impact. Butterfly blade. Hammerhead. Press our advantage. Get you, Neo. Big impact. Giant swing. Butterfly blade. You like that?
Why?
Energy hammerhead.
I'll keep their attention on me.
Nice move, child.
Hunting hammerhead. Air bang. Hammerhead. Get out of here.
Overclock monster!
Hammerhead. Butterfly blade.
That was pretty much what I expected.
I'd say we were moving in sync, right, Tyon?
I can't even call this practice.
All right, get it over with.
Butterfly blade. Impact.
Uppercut slash.
Big impact. Wide slash. Giant swing. Air bang. Punching hammerhead. Knockback. Butterfly blade. Energy grenade. Uppercut slash. Hammerhead.
Overforce.
Air bang. Very sensitive.
We've got them pinned down.
Hammerhead. Press.
Uppercut slash.
Get debuffed.
Good going, Uni. That's us. Okay, guys. Take out the guards.
Ah, yes, the illustrious plan.
You're still whinging about that?
Yes, I am. It's all so messy.
You would say that. Hey, if it gets the job done, what's the problem?
Assuming it works.
It will. We're gonna make it work. Come on.
Whatever you say.
All right. So now we deal with the sentries as planned.
Yeah, we've got to make this plan a success or else.